Hello, my name is Abdurrakhman Kalumian. Uh, I am a student in Boston Technical University. My student number is 220208955. So I'm here to explain the project of the workplace education for the second time. So my project here for data manipulation with R. Dplyr also and TDR. I will explain my projects and step by step and what requirement we should follow and what information we should explain also. I will go in depth brief explanation. Okay, this is here the requirements we need to do, and this is the simple information, and this is the file or CSV files for the project. So here we can go with guides to help me also. So here you can see we need to merge flight and airlines with complex join and operator flights. We need to merge with flights also, and we put this operator and go to the left join also. As you can see, left join, we need to merge airlines by as this written here with what carrier. Okay, and we can go to we can rename it also. Rename airlines, not airline. We need to rename airline dot underscore name equal name, and go with the second left join. Okay, with airports, and then go with by equal C with this destination also can call far with like this, and we can rename the name and airport underscore name equal name, and we have a little bit mistake here, and this is, if we run, we cannot see anything yet, and we can go to the next things is to as you can see, calculating the flight this duration. We can use method on airtime also to add column duration hours divided airtime. So we need to divide airtime by 60 to the hour. So we will use transformed data, okay, and go like this with complex join to merge them to get the column, and go with rotate and get to the mutate. What is the name of the mutate? Flight duration, sorry, flight duration duration. Okay. Flight duration equal air dot time and over 60. This is the flight duration. If we run also, we cannot see anything yet. So we have track back duration, flight could not find, airtime, sorry, mutate, transformed complex UI. Where's the here, transformed data, transformed data complex UI, flight duration, airtime, 560. Okay, thanks. Okay, this is wrong. And now we want analyzing the average flight duration and count. How we can analyze this by also we can analyze the project. Also we can analysis result. We can see analysis results and put the transformed data and go with group by. We need group by what? By airline and name. Airline name and airport name. Airline name and airport name. And we go with summarize. And now we want to calculate the average flight duration equal to mean. We need to use mean because when we want to take the average, we use mean function. What inside mean, we will put column and other column to this duration, like flight duration. We have column like flight duration in the file document, flight duration dot na dot r equal to truth. Okay, this is airline, and he said here flight analyze average flight duration, and we need to use count also. We need to use count for n. Go. And finally, we ungroup it and group ungroup. So we've now finished this and complex join and transform data, and we take the average. And now we have a lot of things like nothing else to do, but a little more. Said here, flying airport, which is the longest average flight. We can say longest. Okay. Analysis results range, because we want to find this incrementing or descending order for AVG flight duration. Okay, because when we want to find the longest average flight duration, but here, and secondly, we want to get the first one, not anything else. It's one. If we will put run, see, we have error here. Transform it and group data. Couldn't find the operator, this operator. This is wrong, sorry. And we have here, sorry. See, we have anything else yet. So we will go to the NFC, arranging, find the longest. This is the longest, okay? Like, we need to take the filter data and group data and analyze this group based subset. Find the least common destination. We need to find the now least common destination. Airport, like GPK is said here, GFK. This is simple. We can use like transform data also. Transform it, like transform it data here, and we use a row. When we take, we need to know we need anything. We don't need anything here. Just take the next same column and go with filter, and inside filter will origin, because origin that we can put GFK, and we put pipe operator, and also we can group, as he said, group data, group data, group by what here? We can say group by air name, and put the pipe operator and summarize count, because we put count equal to n, and put pipe operator. And for last step, he said here, analyze the group data. If we can say group by data, airport name. Here this is wrong. There's nothing like airport name. I think like airports name. Yes. And the last step, what is it? Show hint, find, count, summarize, arrange. We need to arrange here. Arrange for what? Arrange for count, and we finished last step. And now I will print the list. I need to print the list. If I say like run, it prints. But here we have list not found. We can say list not found. I will use this separator and eagle county regional airports. this, as you can see, air name and count. Okay, Eagle County Airport, Galatian field, because we find by list it is Eagle County, like I said here. I will do the review the code again. So first we complex join. We join flights and airports name and airline name for complex join. And for next we transform data to find the flight duration. How we can find the flight duration? By airtime, as is given, divided by 60 minutes, it will give me the flight duration. Third, analyze result. When we want to analyze result, we transform data to the analyze result to join it together and give them the table. We want to group by airline name and airport name. For that, we want to find the average duration flights. We take the main function inside the summarize. Mean function here to find flight and put NARM true, as I learned it from the course. What NA.rm here, I don't know, but I take this from the course. Count n for all the data and group them in the last. Longest, find the longest duration for average flight with descending order, because we want to take the last average flight from this and take the one of them. Transform data, we need to filter the origin by JFK and group it airport by name and summarize count and arrange count also. And for the last one is least to find Eagle County regional function. This is the end of the project, and if I do submit here, this is will give me true, because everything is okay. I check it again also. Yes. So thank you for listening to me and watching my solution and explanation of the project.